Hello. Hello everybody, and thank you for watching my 30th video. I hope you enjoy it. This is my American style chopper. It's all glued up. All we gotta do is wait for it to dry. While it's drying, this weekend I went to the Renaissance Fair and I got a lot of good ideas for future builds. But while this is drying, why don't you take a look at what I did this weekend. Get him with the pointy end! Wow.
Sir, if you are ready, give him your applause.
All three. wood is done drying, I'm gonna cut these bad boys down so we can see what they look like, kinda on the knife. So, we have our tang roughly ground. Good enough so it's hidden. It looks nice here and here. It's all I really care about. Not here, not here, because our scales are going to be covering it. Next thing I'm going to work on is the edge, making this a knife, not just a little blunt object. So, get this Sharpie, and I'm going to draw all along the length of the blade. Alright. Gotta find a screw about the same thickness as my knife so I can find the center line to drill to. So, we found the bit, 1/4 bit. Now I'm just gonna put it down. And I'm just gonna
lay it next to it and scribe my line. And just so it's even, I'm gonna flip it over and do it again on the other side. Alright.
That's what we're gonna grind to. Kind of working out that there's a gap there so that I can, when I quench it, it has less likelihood of warping. So, let's hop on this belt grinder and do this thing. Time to flip the blade over and put it on there. Done with the one side, got it to the other. So, the knife is pretty much ground down to where I want it, but it's raining outside, so I can't start my forge. So what I'm gonna do is work on my scales and get them all cut out to shape and ground down and stuff. And I do not like this beam of light right here.
And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, you bring me dry. I give you what you want. Take it, baby, you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up. I'm someone better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't know if it's right. I'm giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, oh yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up.
So, our scales have been cut out, and you can kind of see what they're gonna look like on our knife. It's gonna turn out, you know, pretty good. But most important thing we gotta do is quench this blade. So let's get the forge going. Well, it skates. That means time to go into the oven. So, the knife's cooled down, and I've mounted it here on my vise, and it's time to get to grinding.
What's to come? A better future. We'll see it done. For every teardrop you've shed in me, we will be stronger to fight the pain. I wanna wake up without sorrow. I wanna step out in a world that's brighter. We are the people of tomorrow. We stand together, raise our hands up higher,
Alright, all that gunk is ground off. Now it's time to do a bit of hand sanding. So, let's get to it.
We raise our hands up to the sky.
So, now it's time that we add our handles to our blade. So let's do that.
Rising through the ashes and I'm crossing the waters, breaking all the limits, then I'm pushing it harder, striking every match, light it up where it's dark. Now just ain't enough for me. All the stuff that we said has been wasted so many times.
Should've wore gloves, but now we wait about an hour, and then we'll get some grinding and see how it looks.
What are you waiting for? Get up and get it done. What are you waiting for? The journey's just begun. Falling through the gaps as I'm running the corners, waiting for the wave to take me across all the borders, riding like the wind, going down without warning. Just ain't enough for me. All the stuff that we done has been hasted.
Now just for some linseed oil to seal it in. Also, I'll put the linseed oil on, let it sit for about an hour, and the next thing you'll see is the finished product. So, let's go see it. Thank you for watching the full video of me making this knife. I enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned because the next video we're gonna be chopping some fruit with this thing.